Ahoy mateys, and welcome to another Halloween edition of the Geek Garage. For today's quick tip, we'll be learning how to make every sailor's worst nightmare, fog. But before we set sail, tune your radios to KAB Antonio Bay, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. Whoa!
Okay, it's working really well. Whew. Where's the off button? Today we'll be making a DIY fog juice. Now this is great if you're doing a front lawn Halloween display, a home haunt, or even throwing a Monster Mash themed rave. Now it's a simple 2-ingredient recipe that's significantly cheaper than buying pre-made fog juice. Full disclosure, I am not a chemist, I'm not even a mad scientist, so this is all for educational purposes only. Now with all the legal stuff out of the way, let's cook. For this project you'll need 2 ingredients, distilled water and vegetable glycerin. I got a gallon of distilled water for less than $1 and 16 ounces of vegetable glycerin for $7. So for $8 you can make a lot of fog juice. Now this recipe calls for 15 to 30% glycerin, so we're gonna average it out and do about 25%. Now I have a relatively small fog machine with about an 8-ounce tank, so for this tutorial I'm just gonna make a small batch. So I'll measure out 4 ounces of glycerin to 12 ounces of distilled water. We'll mix in the glycerin and stir. With the unit unplugged, we'll add in our fog juice. And we'll switch it on and let it heat up. All right, the fog machine is heated up, so let's test it out. Awesome. So there you have it, a very simple and cheap way to make your own fog juice. Now if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you'd like to stay up to date on future tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can also support future builds by visiting my Patreon page. Thanks again for watching, stay spooky boys and ghouls, and we'll see you next time on The Geek Garage.